So I have the Pixel 8 and I'll be showing you how to change the camera aspect ratio. So as you can see, when I launch my camera app, I have this 4:3 aspect ratio. If I want to change it to maybe 16:9, I'll tap on settings. Okay, so settings here in the bottom left corner. And then you'll see, make sure general is selected in the tabs up here. And then you'll see ratio. And you can see I have this 4:3 aspect ratio selected. If you want fuller images, you can tap on the 16:9 aspect ratio. And now you can see the photo is 16:9. So now when I take a photo, it's going to fill up the entire space. Okay, as you can see, compared to the 4:3 aspect ratio. Okay, so you can see there's a clear difference between the two photos in terms of aspect ratio. And that's basically how to change the aspect ratio of the camera app on your Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.